All right, let's add our garlic. I had already gone ahead and made the oil nice and hot. So we're just going to saute our garlic nicely. And now we have our onion added to this. Oh wow, this is great. All right, let's add our shrimp paste. All right, this is our seasoning right here. It has all the salt that you're gonna need because you know shrimp paste is heavy concentrated and it's a wonderful flavor. And that's what we're gonna use to flavor. All right. Now we're going to add our ground beef. We're gonna cook it all the way through. Now that our beef is cooked, we're going to add our bitter melon, or as you guys say it in the Philippines, ampalaya. Oh wow, that looks gorgeous. Look at that wonderful green ampalaya. Yes, just mix this up. For all you ampalaya lovers, this dish is for you. My wife loves this dish. When she showed me how to make this, oh my goodness. This is a bitter dish for those that love the bitterness, the nice crunch. This bitter melon is exactly that bitter that you're looking for. See, this is the way we want it. We want to shrink it down like this, but yet it's nice and crisp. It still has a crunch to it. You see? That's what you want. All right. All right. Now we're going to take our eggs and just beat it up nicely. Yes, let's just, oh wow, let's just beat it up nice so it's a nice yellow. We want to beat it, oh that looks great. Oh, that's what you want. All right, let's just, oh yeah, let's just, there you go, right over it. Let's just pour it, just like that. Oh yes, beautiful. Oh wow, wow. All right, just mix this up nicely. Let that egg cook fully, that nice fluffy egg. That's what you want. Just get that in there. Oh wow, that looks great. You see what I'm doing there? Look at that. That's what you want. All right, let's add a little black pepper. All right, spread it nicely around there. Wonderful. Wonderful. That's what you want. And ready to serve. Guys, this is it. As quick as you can do it. This is a beautiful, quick dish. For more delicious videos like this, if this is your first time, please like and subscribe for more quick, delicious Filipino dishes and others. I'm telling you guys, until next time, enjoy cooking with Al. All of my ampalaya lovers out there, this is a dish for you. Get your bitter on.